Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to use WhatsApp latest accidental delete feature. There can be many times when you want to delete a message for everyone, but accidentally you may tap on delete for me option from the pop-up menu displayed. This mistake delete the message for you, not for everyone. This leads to be an awkward situation for yourself. Now with the accidental delete features of WhatsApp, this situation can be reversed. Now let's go to our WhatsApp screen, and here I will show you how you can delete and undo your message within 2 seconds of deletion. First of all, I will type here hi. Select for deletion. Here I will accidentally click on delete for me. You can see the undo button. I will undo this message. Now this time I click on delete for everyone. This time this message is deleted for everyone. Again here I will type hello and press and hold for a few seconds. There is the option delete for me and everyone. I click on delete for me and undo this message, and again I will click and hold, and this time I will delete for everyone. Thanks for watching.